EVS, we are going to deal with a new lesson, okay? About the seasons. Let me see what I can tell you about seasons. Good morning, children. No need to wish me back. Now, don't take anything. Dodo. Listen. Now, let us see what we are going to see about the seasons. I need the answers from you. I will ask you. All get ready. Settle soon. And see, Shaina Grace is having to, I don't know, she's become a rabbit now. Shaina. See the rabbit? Yes. And rabbit's name is Shaina. Okay. Jeshu, how are you, Jeshu? We'll just wait for 2 minutes for others to join. Okay, now let's see what we are going to do. Now I'm just giving you introduction. This is not in your textbook right now. You don't worry about your book. You just listen. There are 3 main seasons. Okay, I just want to. Okay, let me 1 minute, children. No. Now there are only 3 main seasons in our country, and we have 2 more extra in some places. Okay. Now, can you tell me? Sona? Can you tell me the 3 seasons in our country?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what are the 3 seasons in our country?
Summer, winter, spring,
and monsoon. Okay.
monsoon.
And some places have 2 more seasons, spring and autumn. Okay. So mainly 5. Actually, main 3 seasons we have in our country, and some places spring and autumn, according to the places, according to each place, not in Tamil Nadu anyway. Let's see to these seasons. We'll just see what are the main seasons and what do, what do you need, and how you take up all this season, how do you feel. Okay, like summer season, what will happen? Winter, monsoon, the things you use, things you wear, things you take, food you eat. So all that, let's see. So there are 3 main seasons in our country. They are summer, winter, and monsoon. Some places have 2 more seasons, that's spring and autumn. Now, I need your help. I want you to take out your textbook. Lesson 13, seasons. Effie, take lesson 13, seasons, and tell me the page number, because I don't have the book right now with me. Tell me the page number of seasons.
Page number is 62.
62. Now, children, take out 62 page number and write after seasons today's date 10-2. You don't say anything. Now it's your turn to complete. I'm not going to read anything. Get, set, go. You just read. I'm not going to read. I'll give you just 5 minutes. Don't tell you finished. Those who are telling I finished, ma'am, will lose marks. Now listen, you just read and write. Right, fill in the... No. Fill in. I'm not going to tell you. Fill in the dashes over there. And you don't need to look into the textbook fully, because I will be telling my own. Okay. Now, I need Kabir. Kabir, Did you fill in all the letters over there?
I'm writing, ma'am.
Okay, slowly, slowly. I'll ask you after some time. Don't tell I finished, because if one person tells, all will be telling. Don't say. Now see, I told you. I told you. Now listen. Yes. Effie, turn off your mic. Kabir, 1 minute, Kabir. Kabir, have you completed? Rida, turn off your mic, please. I don't know why these children are just making me get angry. I don't want all together to tell the answer. I want Kabir. Can you tell me the first letter? Write the first letter of, please do it by yourself, children. Write the first letter of the name of each object. What is the first object, Kabir?
P. Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am?
Excuse me, I just don't know. Can you tell me who said I'll tell, ma'am? I want Judah, everybody to turn off your mic. You're disturbing me, children, and the class. Okay, if it's okay. Now, Judah is always turning on his mic. Now, Kabir, can you tell me the first object? Can you tell me what is it? Kabir, I'll go to the next person now. I don't know why. Parents, children should answer parents, otherwise they won't know what they have to do. Now, Kabir, please answer. Look, why don't you say that? Because other children are ready to answer. Okay, Kabir, pencil. Now, what should I write? Write the first letter of the name. Now, what should I write there?
P.
Which letter? P. Okay, that's all. Your chance is over. Okay, enough. Don't say again. Kabir's chance is over. Now, the next person, Judah. Judah, I'll tell you something. You are not supposed to turn on your mic. And no asking shall I tell, because everybody will get a chance. I am putting marks for the answers. Don't disturb me again. Okay. Now, Judah, tell me the second letter.
E.
What is it?
E.
Judah, tell me that. What is that picture?
Egg.
So, what is the first letter?
E.
Key, I'm hearing E. E. Okay. Okay, Judah. Jonathan Paul. Jonathan.
Yes,
Jonathan Paul. Can you tell me
Yes,
the third one? What is it? Tell me that object first. Listen to my question. Apple. So what should I write down?
A.
A. What is the first letter of apple? A. Now, next person is Johannes Thomas. Johan. Please listen to me first. Tell me that object. What is that object? Cup. Cup. Tell me the first letter of cup. C. First letter.
Ma'am, C, ma'am.
Johan. Say like that. See. Now, because when you say, we may not hear properly. Joshua Liban. tell me the next one. What picture is it? Joshua Livan. What picture is it? Joshua, what is it? Picture. Orange. Tell me the letter. Which letter I have to write down?
R.
O. It's only O, the first letter. Now, Jake, can you tell me the next picture? What is it, Jake? What is that? It's a vegetable. Tell me. What vegetable is it?
Cabbage.
Cabbage. So which letter I have to write? Which letter? Which letter? You know cabbage. And tell me the first letter of cabbage.
C.
First letter of cabbage.
C, ma'am.
C. Good. Now Jaciel. Jaciel. Last one. What is that? What object is that, Jaciel?
Key, ma'am.
Key. Okay. Which letter you have to write over there?
K, ma'am.
K. Now, don't say anything. Now, Indian. 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 Indian.
Ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am.
Tell me the word after joining all the letters. What did you get after writing all the... Please read that. What is it?
P-E-A-C.
Oh, no. Read the word. Read the word. You just read that name. Children, you listen to the question. I didn't ask you to read the letters. Read that name. What did you get from writing all these letters? It's a name of what? In the end.
I don't know, ma'am.
Attend the class daily. Yes, in the end, tell me. Read that in the end. What is P-E-A-C-O-C-K? What is it?
Peacock.
Peacock, that's all. You must know to listen and answer. Listen and answer. You have to attend the class daily. I'm taking the attendance and that will be counted for your internals. Okay, good Indian. Now let's go back. Now we just got peacock and we are just going to speak about the seasons. Jake, what will peacock do when it's going to rain or after rain or rainy day? When it sees something on, when you see something on the, on the sky, blue sky, peacock will do something before it could rain or after rains. And when it feels like also, we have lots of peacocks here. Tell me, Jake, peacock will, starting with D. D-A-N. Okay. Shashwata, can you tell me? Have you seen a peacock dance? What is that word?
Dance.
Dance. Peacock will dance. Very good. Now we are just going to start. I'm just going to, you don't worry about the textbook, you just listen to me. In between, I'll ask you a question. We are just going to see the season. Let's take summer itself. Okay. Summer season. I just want to get from you. Let me take the numbers. Now, you went Prabhakaran, you went You just speak about summer. How do you feel? You want?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what do you mean by summer season? Summer, whether it's cold, whether it's hot, what do you like?
Summer will be very hot.
Very hot. What do you like to eat and what do you like to drink?
I like to drink coconut water.
Very good. Yes, tender coconut. Okay. Okay, very good, Yuvan. Let's go to the next person now. Now, Taranish, are you there, Taranish? Taranish, not there. So in this hot season, you like to drink tender coconut, juice, all these things. A nice food, hot food. Sometimes you'll just, it's not very hot. You don't want hot food. Then you like to eat ice cream. Okay, very good, Yuvan. I just want next set of children to speak. Rida, Rida, what type of clothes do you wear? Rida,
Yes, ma'am.
what type of clothes do you like to wear during summer season? What type
Cotton
of
clothes, ma'am.
Very good, Rida. What all things you have learned last year? Yeah, just very good. Okay, and this summer season, rainy season, all these come according to the changes in the weather. Okay, short time. Some days are hot, some days are cold, some days are rainy, some days are cloudy. This is called weather. It changes often. Now, it tells us how hot, cold, rainy, or cloudy a day is. Nowadays, it's very nice, pleasant. And this weather will be there for a long time. Okay, like 2 months, 3 months. Now that we call a season. Okay, children, weather is different, season is different. Weather can change at any time, like it changes often. It may be for 2 days, it may be for 1 day, 1 day it rains, like that. But season means it will be for some more time, like 1 or 2 months, 3 months. Okay, children, that we call a season. And as I told you, 3 main seasons in a country. I want Riha, Jazz. Riha, are you there? Sanvi, can you tell me about the seasons? How many main seasons are there in a country? Sanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me the main seasons in a country? There are 3 main seasons.
Summer, winter, and monsoon.
Very good. Monsoon. Very good. Turn off your mic. Now, Sona, 2 more other seasons are there. Some places, not everywhere. What are they, Sona?
Spring and autumn.
Very good. Now, let's see what all things we can find out. During winter, my God, during winter, it will be very, very cold. And you will get the wind. Wind also is very cold. It snows in some places, not over here. Some places, it snows. You can see the snow falling. We wear what type of... Okay, I just want... Tangareknam, she has some problem with the system. Virti, tell me...
Yes,
Virti, tell me. What types of clothes do you wear in winter?
ma'am.
What
Ma'am,
types of clothes?
Ma'am, woolen clothes, ma'am.
Woolen clothes. Very good, Virti. And Alvin, can you tell me, what do you like to drink during this season? What do you like to drink? Alvin? Ansh, John Jacob, Ansh? What type of drinks do you like?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ansh. Ansh, good morning, Ansh. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm good.
Okay, Ansh, tell me, what kind of drinks do you like to have during winter?
Ma'am, Ma'am, I like to have warm drinks.
Yes.
I have tea sometimes.
Tea. Okay, very good. Some people like coffee. Some people like.
Ma'am, or I drink hot milk.
Very good. Hot milk. Very good, Ange. Now, Dhruv.
Yes, ma'am.
And to escape from this season, because it's very cold, some people do something and all there to keep them warm. What are the things they
wear sweater.
what do they use to make yourself warm during winter? At home, you can just look at the screen. See, some people light fires, use heaters to keep warm. Okay, to keep warm. Okay, children. Okay, don't worry, because all won't know. Some people will keep room heaters and all in Ooty and Munnar. Not here, because we don't have. That's very cold. And 2 months are very cold. 2 months. What are the 2 months? What are the 2 months? 1 minute. Now again they started. 1 minute. Please turn off your mic, everybody. Turn off your mic. And you all are screaming and playing over there. Turn off. Everyone. Sanvi, even your mic. Harish.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, Harish. I just asked you a question. In between, someone started disturbing me. 2 months are very cold here. Can you tell me, in India, which are the 2 months?
I don't know, ma'am.
Don't know, just see the screen. I'm asking you to look at the screen as I'm taking class. Just look below. Harish, December and January. Harish, you have to pay attention, Harish. That's what. December and January. December and
January.
January. Don't say January. January. Okay, these are the 2 months. Now let's see the next one. Don't worry about that now. These are the 2 months. January. Now let's go back. Spring. See here. It is spring in India during the months of Feb and March. You just keep that months in your mind. It is not too hot or too cold. It's now. Okay, see, nice, pleasant. Okay, keep it in the bathroom. It is not too hot or too cold. It's very pleasant. And you have to keep it in mind, which is the best season for the flowers to bloom. Flowers bloom in spring. See over here, flowers bloom in spring. Okay, Feb and March. After winter, they are showing because it continues. After winter, spring comes after winter. See, you're too small to keep in your mind all this, but keep. After winter, spring comes. Okay, we like to go for picnics in spring. You like to go for outing. Now, summer, let's see, very hot. We finished telling. I got the answer from you. You don't like to go out in the hot sun. We all wear cotton clothes to keep us cool. And cold drinks we have like lassi and juice. Lassi is made out of curd. We also like to have ice cream. We use fans, coolers, air conditioners to keep ourselves cool. Okay, now 1 minute. Now, next set of children. Anandet. Can you tell me What do you wear during summer? What do you wear? What do you like to wear to keep you cool in summer? Do you wear sweaters or cotton clothes? Yeah, good, Anand. Archant, what do you like to drink during summer? What do you like to drink? Do you like, yeah, tea or coffee or juice? Very good. Now, okay, Ashwan, turn off your mic at once, okay? Ashwan, at home, it's very hot over there during summer. What are the things you use at home to make you comfortable to sleep, to sit, all that? What are the things you use in your house? Do you use fans?
Ma'am, fans.
Then,
AC
yes. Or coolers. Very good.
or cooler.
Very good. Now, those who are attentive, those who are paying attention properly, they are answering. Very good, children. Now, Cyrus, very easy question for you. What are the hot months? Which are the hot months? Which? 3 months are very hot. Very good. April, May, June. And we are lucky because we don't have school in April and May. June, it will start raining like no problem. Very good, children. Let's see. Monsoon. My God. Lovely. Okay, very good. And Ritik, can you tell me the months? We have monsoon, nice rain, all that we have. Tell me the months.
August, September.
Yes, Ritik, very good. And we all don't turn on your mic, children. Only when I call your name, you have to answer. Then we will know better, we will hear better. Okay. Many places in India get rainfall during these months. Which are the months? July, August, September. There are dark clouds in the sky, strong winds and storms. And usually we wear a raincoat. When we see the cloudy sky, at once we will wear the raincoat, carry an umbrella. It is fun to have, to float paper boats in puddles. Sometimes we see a rainbow after it rains, I told you, and the peacock starts dancing there nicely, it will dance. Children, everywhere we have peacocks. And it's very nice to see the feathers, just with the feathers, it will be dancing, turning this side, turning that side. Okay, even if you go to the zoo sometimes, it won't dance always. Now, John Matthew, your turn, John Matthew.
Ma'am.
What do you wear when you go out? I'm not telling about the travel in car. If you want to go out walking or by two-wheeler to escape from rain, to protect yourself from rain, what do you wear?
Raincoat, ma'am.
Raincoat. And what do you carry in your hand? I'm telling in common, general. What do you carry in your hand? An umbrella.
Umbrella.
And some will make, see the puddles over there, and one frog is jumping out, see the picture, monsoon, and you all are making small paper boats and making a stream dirty, but anyway you'll have nice fun. Okay. And rainbow, you'll see rainbow. Whenever you have time, you have to draw and see the rainbow. Now, after monsoon, autumn comes. Okay, very good, John. After monsoon, autumn comes. That means autumn comes after monsoon and before winter. October, November. Okay. These are the 2 months. And trees, there won't be any leaves. Trees shed their leaves. Animals begin to prepare for winter. Animals will start storing food. Okay, just a minute, children. Very nice to have all this. I will give you I will give you enough work for you later, not now, because we can just see what are the things we use in each season. What do we wear? What do we eat? What do we drink? Okay, how do you feel? All that you have to do by yourself, not now. I will tell you in class. And children, 1 minute. I just want you to be ready